Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Nabila Shawita binti Ahmad. I am from the PM3C. Me and my friends will talk about the topic 4, which is agency. Question 1. Laila is the owner of Strata Distributors Sdn Bhd, which is located in Kuala Lumpur. Laila, during a business talk at PICC, said every agent can get 0.5% from agent total sale each month. Fauzi is an agent of Strata Distributors Sdn Bhd in Kuala Pilah. In May 2020, Fauzi managed to gain 500,000 sales. However, he didn't receive the benefit payment as announced by Laila. Then, I was that issue on this situation. This issue is whether Fauzi can sue Laila for the losses suffered.
Next question is about discuss on 4 duties of a principal towards an agent under the concept of agency. For the first answer is to pay agent the commission or other remuneration agreed, unless the agency relationship is gratuitous. The second answer is not to willfully prevent or hinder the agent from earning his commission. The third answer is to respect any lien the agent has over the property of the principal in the actual or constructive possession of the agent. And the last answer is to identify the agent for acts done in the exercise of his authority.
In conclusion, question 1. Fauzi have a valid contract as agent under Laila to Strata Distributors Sdn Bhd. Therefore, Fauzi can take action against Laila to claim the amount on the deal, which is 0.05%, as she should give on her agent.
For question 2, Kim Boon advertised to sell a laptop in carousel websites. Fazura saw the post and immediately contacted Kim Boon. A day later, Fazura bought the laptop from Kim Boon. Fazura received the laptop via BBB courier service. She was very happy and excited that finally she had a laptop. 2 days later, Fazura brought the laptop to the library for a group discussion with her classmate, Zaleha, who was also the member of the group, felt curious after looking at Fazura's laptop. She discovered that the laptops belonged to her after being stolen at Starbucks a month ago. Zaleha confronted Fazura and asked for her laptop. Fazura felt cheated by Kim Boon. So for this question, the issue is whether Fazura could recover the full amount she had paid to Kim Boon.
The rule of nemo than coordinate habit is the sale of good tax applies between the buyer and either the owner of the goods or by his or authorized agents. However, there are some circumstances in which a seller may appropriate to the sell goods which he does not have any right to sell. In these circumstances, the law must decide which of two innocent parties to favor, the buyer or the original owner. When a person buys goods or assumes rights over the goods, for example, a buyer, he or she gets the same right to the goods as the persons from whom he or she bought the goods. The provisions means that the goods are bought from a person who is not the owner and who does not sell them under the owner's authority. The buyer does not acquire any title. The rightful owner is entitled to recover his or her goods from these who have no title to them.
Next, I will present about 4 exceptions to the nemo that quote non-habet. The first one is estoppel. This can refer to the Section 27 of Sales of Goods Act of 1957. This refers to the owner by his conduct to tell the buyer that the person who sells the goods has his authority to do so, and the buyer relies on that conduct. The buyer obtains a good title because the owner is blocked by his conduct from denying the seller's authority to sell. The next one is sale by mercantile agent. This is also can refer to the Section 27 of Sales of Goods Act 1957. A mercantile agent with the consent of the owner in possession of the goods or of a document of title to the goods, any sale made by the mercantile agent will consider as valid because it was expressly authorized by the owner to do so. The next one is sale by one of joint owners. This can refer to the Section 28 of Sales of Goods Act 1957. If one of the several joint owners of goods has the sole possession by the permission of the co-owners, the property in the goods is transferred to any person that buy that goods from such joint owners with bona fide and the seller has authority to sell it. The last one is sale by a seller in possession after sale. This can refer to the Section 30 of the Sale of Goods Act 1957. If a seller continues in possession of the goods or hold document after a sale, then transfer it to the third party who buys it with good faith and without knowledge of the previous sale, the second sale is considered as good assumed that the owner authorized it.
In conclusion, question 2, although if Fazura has been using the laptop for a few days, Fazura is entitled to get back compensation commensurate with the price purchased for the laptop. Zahira is entitled to get her laptop back from Fazura and Zahira can take action against Kim Boon.